11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Woohoo! Hi friends! Welcome back! I'm Doogie Bee and you are watching DugDugi TV Junior. Are you ready for a fun adventure? Today we are going to learn numbers 11 to 20. We will say the number, spell it, and read it together. Are you ready? Let's begin!
This is 11. Spell it with me. E-L-E-V-E-N. Together. 11. Great job. This is 12. Spell it. T-W-E-L-V-E. Together. 12. Great job. This is 13. Spell it. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. Say it. 13. Awesome. This is 14. Spell it. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Together. 14. Fantastic! This is 15. Spell it. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Say it. 15. Well done! This is 16. Spell it. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Together. 16. Excellent! This is 17. Spell it. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. Say it. 17. You're doing great. This is 18. Spell it. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Together. 18. Wonderful! This is 19. Spell it. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Say it. 19. Amazing! This is 20. Spell it. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Together. 20. Fantastic! Let's read them together. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Excellent work!
You learned the numbers 11 to 20 and their spellings. I'm so proud of you. If you enjoyed learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye-bye!